afternoon. It has been a beautiful day out there again in Benidorm. 24 degrees, full sunshine and everything. Right now my phone said it has dropped until 21 degrees. But it definitely does not feel like that. Still nice and warm out. But yeah, I'm here because Plaza Triangular is where we are right now. Got the McDonald's over there. And over there, right next to those two bars, there used to be a Taco Bell. And it has been there in 2018, has closed in November 2018 because it didn't went that well. I believe it was around right there in this one. It was the Taco Bell. But yeah, it went away. And the only one left was in Finestrat, all the way near La Marina supermarket. The shopping center over there. So and since then, has stayed empty a bit. Some other stuff in it sometimes. And that was actually it. But right now it is returning. So I'm just going to show you guys where. Because Benidorm is always expanding. Always new business opening. Old businesses closing. So yeah, today I got two new stuff for you guys. One new bar. And the Taco Bell is coming back. And this time towards Levante Beach. So it's much more different than it used to be. Right here in the city center, sort of. But now we're heading towards the beach, yeah. Actually quite close to Five Guys, which is already there. It took up space of an old nightlife club, I believe it was the KM. And that one then the Five Guys went. But right now Taco Bell is coming. So I'm going to show you guys where exactly. We have Popeyes already, just showed you guys the McDonald's as well. Popeyes is over here. This one is going quite well. Of course, right now it's almost 5, so not yet dinner time, not that busy yet. But that will come. It is quite windy, I see, at the trees down there. All the way back. So I'm hoping the wind noise won't interrupt the sound that much. Don't got my mic with me. That will cover the wind for it. Oh, so yeah, that was kind of a surprise, the wind. But hey, temperature is nice, weather is nice, no clouds at all. Ooh, ice cream. Look at this. Beautiful. So yeah, all kinds of restaurants and everything, shopping stuff in between. Always worth taking a few side streets as well instead of the usual Levante Beach and the Mediterráneo. Always take a few side streets, there's much more to discover. So right now we have come out Tiki City. Oh no, Tiki Town it is, sorry guys, Tiki Town. There's so many tiki bars over here. Music playing. All the way down there in the distance you can see the boat coming back from the island. There we go. Better look at it. It's really beautiful over here. Still quite some people at the beach, as we see. Yeah, it's getting late, it's cooling down a bit. Still 24 degrees, beautiful temperatures for this time of year. Okay, on the left, all the bars and everything. Nice and busy it is. Okay, and right there, on the opposite side of Five Guys, that is where that new burger business, no guys, that's where the Taco Bell is gonna be. Yeah, I'm correct, right up there. Oh wow, it's gonna take up this whole top floor part. There used to be a bar around up here. Even sat here once when it just opened up a few years ago, I believe. Urban Beach was it called. Still on the windows. But yeah, so this whole floor is gonna be Taco Bell. With an amazing view you get then as well. And okay, it is kind of fast food, yeah it is. Proxima Apertura, that means opening soon. And I believe if you want to work here, you can send your resume. Not for me, as working in those fast food chains over in Spain doesn't make a lot of money. Think about 5, 6, maybe 7 euros an hour if you're lucky. That is it. But yeah, this is gonna be one with an amazing view at least. Right up here, palm trees, you can see the island right through there. Beautiful part. You also have a ticket center over here where you can buy tickets. Promoting the water park, that one is closed now, but they're also probably got other activities as well. Tattoo shops and everything. So yeah, right across the Five Guys. So happy that Benidorm is expanding, that it won't be an empty lot. Right down here we've got a souvenir shop and a Udaco supermarket. Right down there as well. Always nice to get some drinks out at a supermarket instead of those sellers on the beach. Definitely do that. Head towards the supermarket to get your cold drink the way you want it. But right now, I don't believe those beach sellers with their cocktails are over here right now. But yeah, there's more coming up. There's a new bar coming as well, as I've said. And that one is on the Mediterráneo. There used to be a shop, has closed a while ago. And I have seen they started renovating it, so I'm hoping to get a glimpse of it. In the meantime, I'm going to take a walk through here to get there, along all the bars. Really nice and busy around here. Live music never ends in Benidorm. It's definitely beautiful for taking a walk down here. And in fact, it's busy as well. Whoa, from Monday. Okay, let's head towards the left here at the Jolly Roger, and I believe I'm correct then with the correct street. This place is packed since it opened up. Full every single day. And at night as well, the indoor entertainment is right up there. They're showing over here what is going to be there tonight. So yeah, you don't have to go towards the strip for your live entertainment, you can just head here. And there are loads of restaurants in these side streets which are definitely worth heading to. Loads of them are open during daytime as well. Over here, daily menu for just $13.90. So yeah, loads of shops, Chinese restaurants. And loads of hidden gems all in between over here.
Hello guys, I'm doing breakfast.
No thank you mate, I'm alright. So yeah, they have all kind of stuff. A very popular Italian restaurant over here as well. With a huge sign up here. But it's closed right now, probably opening later on, closed for holidays. Usually we see that in January, most businesses closing for holidays. Because right after New Year's Eve, after the holidays, they're going on holiday then. So this is the place I was talking about. Used to be a very big souvenir shop in here. A huge one. And right now it's gonna be turned into a bar, I believe. It was on Facebook, a message that a big company took over this one. Don't know exactly which one anymore. But they're renovating it, yeah. Let's show you guys a little bit from the inside. Major construction going on. Dug up the whole floor and everything to make sure everything is brand new again. And I don't know this location. It's right here on the Mediterráneo. So that is different. Usually all the big bars are or at the strip or at the beach. But not right over here. So it's gonna be new. I'm very curious what it will be. Told you guys it was warmer than 21 degrees. 23 it still says. Lovely temperature to walk around over here. But yeah, at night it is cooling down from now on. So if you're coming here, definitely bring a jacket or anything for at night, because the nights get a little bit chilly from now on. And while the wind is picking up, hoping that won't have an impact on the temperature for the upcoming week. As for now, lovely 23 degrees it looks like, with no clouds at all. Okay, I thought this was it, but they're recording the Benidorm series over here. So I thought, let's show you guys that as well. That doesn't help that it's on the road. Must be taking forever for them. Everyone, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to get updates from Benidorm, what is all going on over here. And do give a like, it greatly helps the video. And if you haven't seen the video from yesterday, make sure to check it out over here.